Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add featured collection on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and open your browser, search for shopify.com and sign in your account. Okay? So now once you're here at the dashboard, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on products. And now just go ahead and add the product that you want, or for example, this you already have a product. Okay, so click on that product, and then now here are the collections you want to add it on the home page. Okay, but you can also create a new collections. So to add that, to create that, just go ahead and click on collections right here. Now click on create collection. So for example, winter collection, just like that. Now put the description that you want right here. You can just go ahead and fill in this form, add an image, like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on manual, click on the save button. Now once I have this collection, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the product that I want for that collection. So to do that, click on the product section right here, add a product. So let me just go ahead and put a random product. So for example, winter jacket, put the description if you have one, media, the pricing, all of that. And here the collection section or text box, select the winter collection or the collection that you've created and click on the save button. And now what you need to do to add it in the featured collection in your store, click on the online store section here at the left side of your screen. Now select themes. And as you can see, this is the theme that I am currently using. So click on the customize button. Now you should have this featured collection section right here. Click on that, click on add section, and then click on featured collection if you don't have one. So as you can see, I already have two, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do this at the featured collection section. And now to add the products here at the right side of your screen, you should see this collection section. Okay, so click on the select collection button right here and then choose the winter collection or the collection that you've created earlier. Now click on select and don't forget to click the save button to save all of your actions. And now that should add the featured collection on your Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.